All right, welcome back, everybody. That was a pretty nice morning here for a lot of the state. Not so nice outside right now, but it could always be worse. Mostly cloudy skies, temperature of 58 degrees, west wind at about 14 miles per hour. Still a little more sun up around Great Falls and off of the Rocky Mountain front. 59 degrees and some wind gusts up over 30 miles per hour. 50s out west with a cloud cover and a little showery weather, and up into the 60s. Comfortable day, not the warmest June day we've ever seen, and wind speeds there you can see everybody dealing with some gusty conditions with the exception of Bozeman and Missoula, both calm right now. So a couple of areas of showers out there, and if you're looking at this and you're watching from around the Helena Valley through Winston down through Townsend, you're seeing rain on the radar, right? Andy, right? Yeah. Okay, all right. So need his confirmation here, but it's not, there's no precipitation going on out there. This is Virga, precipitation being picked up on the radar. It falls from the base of the cloud, but of course you got 5,000 to 10,000 feet from the base of the cloud down to the ground here. So it takes maybe a lot of moisture for it to reach all the way to the surface. It's been drying up and not reaching the ground. So that's an example of Virga on the radar. A few of these showers have been reaching the ground, though, west of the divide. Couple of showers up there, Bear Paws in the Little Rockies, around Hayes and Landusky. Anybody doing some fishing on Fort Peck Reservoir? We've got a couple of thunderstorms crossing and a few showers also up pushing into the Culbertson area. A few other things going on here. The storm that brought the snow to parts of Montana, that actually low pressure is moving out into the plains here. This was Cristobal, the remnants of Cristobal. And take a look at this. I'll get it out of the way here, but the tropical system tracks for, over about 100 and almost 70 years here, since 1851. You can see everything in the Atlantic curling up basically offshore, everything in the Pacific going right there. Here is Cristobal. Cristobal is taking one of the most northwesterly tracks ever recorded here, well, at least since 1851. You can see all the tracks of all of those hurricanes and tropical storms further to the south and to the east. And there has never been a tropical system this far north and northwest here into the lower 48. That's pretty remarkable. Here's a look at what will happen tonight. Mostly cloudy skies. Tomorrow we could have an isolated mountain shower. That's overdone a bit. Most of the state mostly sunny, looking at a real pleasant day. Thursday, this is when temperatures start to warm up. We could pop a few isolated thunderstorms Thursday afternoon. Friday, it will be hot with temperatures in the 80s and even the lower 90s in some spots. Could have a few late afternoon and evening thunderstorms, and then another weekend storm. A few scattered thunderstorms on Saturday, some showers and cooler weather with some wind on Sunday. Monday looks pretty nice. Here's the forecast for tonight. Down into the 40s, not the 30s. No issues with any frost out there tonight or into tomorrow morning. And here's the forecast for tomorrow. A pretty nice day. Yes, it will be on the windy side, 60s and 70s, mostly sunny, an isolated mountain shower for Thursday. Temperatures continue to rise, going up into the 70s and the 80s. Friday, a better chance for a couple of thunderstorms, And look at the 80s and the 90s. And how about Saturday? A cold front will go through, triggering off some thunderstorms. We'll be in the 80s. It will be windy. And how about eastern Montana? 97 in Jordan on Saturday. Here's the 7-day forecast. So a warming trend for sure. A couple of isolated thunderstorms Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Some showery, cooler, windy weather on Sunday with a return of snow to the mountains. Probably not 16 inches like we saw the other day, but flakes flying nonetheless. Warmer up in Great Falls over the next few days. Cooler, windy with a few showers to end the weekend.
Thanks a lot for that, Curtis. And coming up next, we'll take a look